everybody. So I had this idea super out of nowhere to make a video about what I'm actually doing right now, which is writing. And I was thinking about how, a lot of what I like to share is the really fun, super sexy, flashy science that we do. But this is kind of my reality right now, and this is what I've been spending the majority of my time doing lately. And so I thought it was kind of funny because, I'm like flipping through Instagram in between writing paragraphs and looking at all the cool things that everyone's doing. This is a lot of what my science is like right now, and that I am in this stage of very little field work and a lot of writing. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning, and I am still in my pajamas, and it's 2:22. So it's a beautiful day. If you can kind of see, it's like really nice. It's like in the 70s, so it's very hard to write when it's like this. The science that actually enacts change and moves the field that you're in forward is going through the peer review process and the publication process. And so it might not be as glamorous of a step, but it's a necessary step, a very necessary step, arguably the step. And so, you can share really cool photos and videos of you doing the work, but then that all culminates in very boring afternoon PJ writing days. Very long writing days. So anyways, I just thought that would be worth sharing. Okay, so I think what would be really cool is if you guys had any questions about the writing process and what it's like to write a scientific paper, what it's like to go through the review process or any of those things, and if you have questions about how important it is to publish your work and things like that, I think those would be all really, really, really important and interesting conversations to have. And I think we gotta always do this now because it's become a tradition that I would say thanks for watching. Can you look right there? Look right there? Yeah. And what